Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Okay, today we are doing my luxurious, my lovely hot chocolate. I just said I want to show you how I did it in my cheese biscuits recipe. You have to know how to do a cheese biscuit with and then enjoy it with your hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is delicious. Okay, so I want to show you. It's not hot cocoa. We normally, I'm doing hot chocolate. We just put just cocoa powder in milk, but this one is a lovely one. So come along with me and let's do this. It's very easy. Okay, I have my milk in my pan here. First of all, I'm adding. I have cocoa powder here. It's a lovely cocoa powder. I'm going to add the cocoa powder. Okay, and then I am going to add some honey. I'm not adding sugar. You can add sugar if you prefer, but I'm just adding just a small honey for it because there is sugar in the chocolate, so I'll just prefer adding honey. My goodness, you are going to love this. You have to do this for your kids. Okay, they will absolutely love this. It's delicious. Just in a very low heat. I've just increased it to a medium heat. Okay, you know, you don't have to go away for this. You have to be there and stirring it because you know milk, when you leave it, this is going to overflow. Okay, so I am going to add also, you can add cinnamon if you like. I think cinnamon also gives a very lovely taste. Okay, but I am going to add, for this one, I'm going to add vanilla extract. Okay, but you can add cinnamon. You will love it. Your kids, if your kids love cinnamon, my kids really love cinnamon, so yeah, you can add cinnamon to it as well. So it's really getting warmed up. So the next bit I am going to do, I'm not going to wait for it to boil, so I'm going to add, look at that, this is really my luxurious chocolate buttons. All right, you can use any chocolate bar, just cut them into pieces and then just put them in, or you can use chocolate button. I love using chocolate buttons because it's easier to melt away. Okay, so I put my chocolate buttons in. Oh, guys, this is amazing. So guys, our hot chocolate, the chocolate has melted nicely. Okay, as you can see, it's melted nicely. I forgot to say that if you want to use dark chocolate, you can use dark chocolate. I use milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate. It's your hot chocolate, so it's anything that you prefer. Okay, so the next thing I want to just thicken it a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of corn flour, just to thicken it, just a weeny little bit. I don't want it very thick, so I'm going to add that. So that's all. As you can see, it's very easy, but it's delicious. Our hot chocolate is really done. It's done. I'm going to just pour it out and enjoy it. So guys, this is the hot chocolate. It's absolutely delicious. As you can see, I've left a little bit of space at the top. So what I'm going to do is to add some squirty cream. Okay, need to enjoy this Christmas. I tell you, it's lovely. Absolutely delicious. And the next bit I'm going to add just a little bit of cocoa powder, just to put it at the top. You have to enjoy this Christmas. I tell you, It's so good. Okay, just look at this. It's absolutely delicious. Guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.